What's up everyone, and today we will be causing trouble in Teardown. This is one of my favorite maps. It's Countryside Remastered, so it's a pretty good map. But anyway, we are going to be causing trouble in this. Alright, let's get started. I love doing this. How about... Aha. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Alright. Let's see. A haul truck. Aha. No, I'm not doing the unbreakable, but I will later. Yeah. I'm just so scared. Everything is dead if it comes into my path. Okay, this isn't doing like any damage. Okay. This isn't doing like any damage, so yeah. Okay, 2 people just joined. Alright, so, now I think we are going to just be driving around and wrecking, F1 cars. Oh, that's a pretty nice one. Also, my skin is like an old guy. I really don't know why. Weather. Alright, how about Car Pack multiplayer? What's this? Special. Nope. How about futuristic vehicle? Hypercar. No wait. Light runner. Road cars. Special. Supercar drift? What's this? Oh, come on. Every single freaking time. Coupe Speedster? No, that looks so ugly. Hypercar. No, whatever. This is bad. Get another one. What this? Ooh. I just want to ram it. That's it. Okay, I'm gonna just... That's funny. I'll go back with this guy. Go. Yeah. Alright guys, well thank you for watching. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.